17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Welcome back to Jamaica. Welcome back to self-care, health and wellness. Yes guys, where we are going to do some exercise this morning. So thanks for coming guys at all times. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Right, this morning I'm going to do one of my morning routine by strengthening my leg. Right, yes, one of my morning workout here. Yes, straighten my leg. Yeah, my leg here. So come along and enjoy. You can do this workout, guys. Not hard, very easy. Right? So let's go down on the mat here. Yeah. Here I am. Let's take it off a little bit more up so you guys can see me a little bit more. Right? That's right. Yes. So yes, guys. So we're gonna do 30 on each leg, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Remember now, guys, whatever you do on one leg, you also do it on the other. So we're going to turn around, yes, and do the same on the next leg, right? So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, guys, try this one. Very effective, right? Yes. 1 minute, please. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like the video, share the video to your friends and family. Do this exercise. Very effective on the leg, yes, and on the knee. Yes, thank you. Love and respect.